Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi! Today we're gonna make a super easy French onion soup that is made in a pressure cooker. The one thing we need is some beef bones because we need that stock to be delicious. So we're taking 3 pounds of oxtail and placing them on a baking pan. We add some pepper and thyme to our bones so that they are very aromatic and flavorful. With a very hot oven, they're gonna broil for 3 minutes on each side so that golden color goes through all of the stock and we have a beautiful French onion soup. Then we're gonna add carrots, our celery stalks, fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, some garlic cloves, some Dijon mustard, red wine, and some green peppercorns. Then we're gonna place all of these golden bones with their deep flavor on top of our vegetables. All of these delicious aromas and flavors that we are gonna give our soup without having to boil it or simmer it for hours. Now we're going to place our rack on top of all of these ingredients and add the sliced onions. We're going to cook this for 60 minutes at high, and once it's done, voila, we are ready. We're going to add our onions that have all the aromatics from the ingredients below them straight to our cups. And it's going to be perfectly delicious. Then we're going to pour some of this delicious stock onto each of the cups with the onion. You can freeze your French onion soup. Freeze it separately, your onions on one side and the stock on the other. On top of it, we're going to place a slice of toasted bread. And you can add the toast you want, be it gluten-free toast or regular toast. We have some smoked Gouda cheese on top of one and some grated Emmental cheese on the other. You can do any of the two. Add your favorite. You melt your cheese at 400 degrees for about 3 to 4 minutes and serve. You have a perfect French onion soup, just like you would get in the best restaurants. Our soup is gonna get the deep and delicious flavor from the bones that we made golden, and also, since all of these vegetables cook in the pressure cooker, none of the aromas escape. And enjoy French onion soup anytime with Chef Pachi. Lose weight eating delicious. Enjoy it in a cold winter night or when you want something light and delicious and don't want to go through a lot of trouble.